Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2016 Suzuki GSR 750. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and take a close look at this Suzuki. It is HPI clear. It is low mileage as well. It also comes with a spare key in the pack and it is data tagged. So we'll start at the front, we'll work all the way around the bike and we'll get a good close look at the condition of it. It is in a really nice metallic blue, and it does have ABS brakes on this, as you can see on the front end there. There's your data tag sticker on there. So let's get a look all over this left hand side. It's got loads of little trick Yoshimura bits on it, got little bar ends on there. So let's get a look at the side of the engine. It does look in really good condition, this. It is low mileage. See, it's got a crankcase, engine case cover there. Yoshimura cover on it. Let's get a look low down. We'll get a look at the side of the tank on this side, and the side of the seat and the side plastics. Get a look in at that rear shock. Get a look at the chain and sprocket as well. You can see it's got Yoshimura paddock stand bobbins on. Really is a nice clean looking bike, this one. So let's get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. Everything looking nice there. So let's move around to the back of the bike, get a look at it from the back. And we'll move around to the right hand side. You can see it's got a Yoshimura exhaust on it as well. The carbon can on there. Let's get a look at the back wheel on this side. A close up look at the exhaust as well. Let's get a look at the side plastics on the side of the seat, side of the tank, all from this side. I'll just move these bars over as well so we can get a good close look in there. Let's have a look down at the engine on this side. Again, you've got a lot more extra little Yoshimura bits on there. Let's get a good look low down as well from this side. We'll finish up the front wheel from the right hand side. What we'll do now, we'll go take a look up the dash and controls and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look up the controls. So you've got your front brake, your throttle, kill switch and your starter on this side. Over to the other side, you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, indicators, horn and hazards. So let's flick this on, get the exact mileage off it. As you can see, it is really low mileage. This is done 1,931 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close-up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.